Welcome to one of the most breathtaking private island estates in the world. Nestled in the exclusive Hamptons, this $99.5 million masterpiece spans an incredible 21 acres, offering unparalleled privacy, luxury and waterfront living. Located at 70 and 71 Cobb Lane, Watermill, New York, this extraordinary estate is more than just a home, it's a private sanctuary. This property features 24 bedrooms and 38 bathrooms, ensuring absolute comfort for you and your guests. Imagine waking up to panoramic waterfront views from nearly every room, stepping onto expansive terraces, and enjoying a morning coffee while the sun rises over your private island retreat. This estate boasts state-of-the-art amenities including a massive infinity-edge pool with breathtaking ocean views, multiple guest houses for ultimate privacy, and entertainment private marina access for yachts and watercraft indoor, and outdoor entertainment areas, including home theaters, game rooms and lounges, a world-class fitness center and spa for relaxation and wellness, designed for the elite. This estate combines classic Hamptons architecture with modern luxury, offering a one-of-a-kind experience that redefines waterfront living. Whether you're looking for a serene retreat, an entertainer's paradise, or a legacy property, this $99.5 million estate is truly in a class of its own. If you're ready to own a piece of paradise, this is your chance. Contact us today to schedule a private tour of this once-in-a-lifetime private island estate in Watermill, New York. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more incredible luxury real estate tours.